In today's video, I am going to teach you how to approve all contacts at once in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace. You will be working with contacts, so the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Contacts area from the top menu. Look across the top of the screen and find the tab labeled Contacts. Click that tab now. After you click it, the Contacts section should load, and you will be able to see the list of contacts and related options. This is the right place to perform actions that affect contact records in bulk. Once you are inside the Contacts area, the next part is locating the Actions menu. This menu contains the commands you can apply to contacts, including approval options. Keep your eyes on the top right corner of the Zoho CRM interface. You should see an Actions drop-down menu there. Click the Actions drop-down so the menu expands, and you can view all available actions for the contacts area. This step matters because the Approve option is not found on the main contact list itself. It is inside this Actions menu. Taking a moment to open it now will save time and prevent confusion later. After the Actions menu opens, you will see a list of options related to contact management. From that list, select the option that says Approve Contacts. Click Approve Contacts to choose it. At this point, Zoho CRM will typically prepare the approval action for execution, and you may see prompts or confirmations depending on your account setup. If a confirmation appears, review it briefly to ensure it matches what you intend to do. Approving contacts is usually an administrative action that changes the status of multiple records, so it is important to make sure you are on the correct action before proceeding. Now that you have selected Approve Contacts, Zoho CRM should process the approval. Depending on your screen and settings, you may need to confirm one more time, such as clicking an OK or Confirm button. If you see any confirmation step, take a second to read it, then confirm so the system can apply the approval to all relevant contacts at once. This is what makes the process efficient compared to approving contacts individually. While the approval runs, do not navigate away immediately. Give the system a moment to complete the action. If the interface updates, you may notice changes in how contact statuses appear, or you may see a success message indicating that the approvals were applied. If a success message appears, that is your confirmation that the approval process has finished successfully. If anything does not look right, you can always return to the contacts list and check the status of the records to confirm the results. Once you have confirmed that the contacts are approved, take a final quick look at the contacts area to ensure everything reflects the update. This is a good habit because it verifies that the action was applied as expected. If you are managing multiple contacts for approval workflows, this quick verification step helps you catch any issues early, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.